This 2023 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 30 BHSWE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. This new Keystone is 34 feet 5 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Driftwood interior, sleeps 10, DVD player, microwave, smoke detector, external shower, Colorado Detector, oven, TV, air conditioning, spare tire kit, LP detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 30 BHSWE is 7,136 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Highway Trailer Sales, visit RVUSA.com.